China continued to push the boundaries of technology and innovation, leaving us in awe. And yet again, they just pulled off another mind-boggling achievement, erecting a 10-story building in just 28 hours. But how in the world is this even possible, you ask? Well, let's find out how they pulled this off and explore the amazing technology behind this accomplishment. Building towering skyscrapers takes not just months but years, and just over a single day in Changsha, China, a remarkable construction company named Broad shattered all expectations by crafting a 10-story residential masterpiece in a mere 28 hours and 45 minutes, to be precise. So, what's the secret behind this astounding speed? It's all thanks to the innovative technology of prefabricated construction systems. A revolutionary approach where a building is essentially pieced together using small, self-contained modular units. These modular marvels are meticulously crafted in advance within the confines of a factory. Each factory-born module boasts a robust stainless steel skeleton, complete with intricate wiring, cozy insulation, sleek glazing, and efficient ventilation systems. After the modules have been crafted, the entire living space will be ingeniously compacted into a container-sized unit. These futuristic units are then transported to the construction site, stacked with precision atop one another and secured tightly in place like building blocks. With a few bolts here and there, the skeleton transforms into a fully fledged building. It is comparable to watching a large puzzle put together without any errors. After the units have been stacked, the final touches are added: power connections and water. Each module, a neat 12.19 meters long, 2.44 meters wide, and 3 meters high, forms the foundation of this architectural wizardry. They are like colossal containers, standing tall and proud. One side of each unit unfolds gracefully, creating a sprawling floor while also supporting the structure above it. These modules spread out windows and balconies that softly embrace the outside world and envelop the occupants in a remarkable fusion of comfort and modern design. And in a video released by the company, they said it was an extremely simple on-site installation, just tighten bolts and connect water and electricity. This building isn't just fast to build, it's also bursting with cutting-edge technology. The structure itself is built using a modular construction system based on B-Core, a type of stainless steel that's not only tough and durable, but also eco-friendly. Standing tall at 10 stories, this apartment block can comfortably house 40 families, encompassing a whopping 3,000 square meters and soaring to a height of 32 meters. What sets this building apart is its impressive strength and lightness. Those B-Core slabs holding it together are a remarkable 10 times lighter and 100 times stronger than your run-of-the-mill floor plates. But strength is just the tip of the iceberg. This building is engineered to be earthquake-resistant and fireproof, ensuring safety and security for its occupants. And let's talk about fresh air. The building features the Broad Clean Fresh Air machine, ensuring every breath you take is 100% pure. It kicks cross-infections to the curb and filters out those pesky PM 2.5 particles by a whopping 99.9%. The energy and carbon footprint of this place are almost embarrassingly low, and it can stand its ground against the fiercest earthquakes and storms Mother Nature can throw at it. Flexibility is its middle name too. Want to add more space? Just snap on more modules. Thanks to its modular design, the entire building can even be packed up and moved somewhere else if needed. And forget about static layouts. You can easily change where the walls, doors, windows, and balconies go even after the building's up. What do you think about this? Let us know down in the comments section. But the real showstopper is its energy efficiency. Thanks to smart insulation, multi-pane glass windows, and a nifty heat recovery system, the energy bills of this living masterpiece are a mere fraction of traditional buildings. And the stainless steel structure won't be giving in to rust anytime soon. It's over 30 times more resistant than regular carbon steel, boasting a life expectancy of over a millennium. The BROAD Group proudly claims that this living building isn't just a work of engineering brilliance. It's 10 times lighter and stronger than the usual suspects, exudes top-notch craftsmanship, and has a failure rate so low that it operates 5 times more efficiently than standard structures. Its production line is like something from the future minus 20 times more efficient than the traditional building process, and even outperforms the likes of carbon steel construction. The Living Building project isn't the first time Broad Group has taken on the challenge of creating a skyscraper in record time. Back in 2013, they set their sights on a towering ambition: a 220-story masterpiece named Sky City in Changsha, poised to be the world's tallest building. But this ambitious venture hit roadblocks. Concerns about safety and a lack of government approval led to its postponement and eventual abandonment. However, setbacks haven't dampened Broad Group's spirit. They've proved their mettle with impressive feats like constructing a 30-story hotel in just 15 days, a 57-story skyscraper in 19 days, and even a colossal 100-story tower in 48 days. Undeterred by challenges, the company remains resolute in its vision of using modular technology to shape the skyline of tomorrow. Broad Group is confident that their innovative system has applications far beyond just residential structures. From lavish luxury homes to bustling public spaces and soaring skyscrapers reaching up to 200 stories, their modular marvels are poised to revolutionize construction. And thanks to their adaptable design, these buildings can easily be disassembled and moved to new locations, even after completion. Walls, doors, windows, and balconies can be rearranged like pieces of a puzzle, reflecting the ever-evolving needs and dreams of their inhabitants. Broad Group has not only built a building, but they've also woven a narrative of innovation, efficiency, and architectural wonder. In a world where time often dictates progress, they've dared to challenge the norm and craft a masterpiece in the blink of an eye. It's a glimpse into a future where technology dances hand in hand with creativity and where the skyline is no longer limited by the constraints of time.